welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed in so long.
And you haven't seen me in so long.
Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my second channel. You can't hear over Cooper. Today we're gonna be making blank brownies. I can't say the word because I'll get demonetized. It's cookie dough Oreo brownie. I'm in Florida with Maddie and Sally and Kimmy and we're No, you look good. So we're gonna eat dinner and then we're gonna bake for you and show off our talented skills. We're gonna eat Publix popcorn chicken and then we will be baking. Mukbang. Sorry, Kimmy. For our blank brownies that I'm not allowed to say because I'll get demonetized. We have Nestle cookie dough from Target, double stuffed Oreos, and Betty Crocker brownies. Also, if you see my face, I have a rash. Please ignore it. I'm on medicine. Don't worry. Yes, I need to point it out. People are gonna think I'm dying. It's just a rash. Why are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexting me with everybody go. Everybody wash your hands. And we'll just say he's just a friend. Oh, baby, no, you have your own to eat, Katie.
That's okay. It's like Katie's the baby. It comes with chocolate syrup. Read the directions. That's what makes it supreme.
So you guys are gonna make the brownies. Maddie and I will do the cookie dough and Oreo. Which one? People tell me to pick. Which one? Kimmy and Sally are gonna make the brownie mix.
You don't know how to crack an egg.
I don't know how to crack an egg. No one taught me how to crack an egg. Yeah, can I crack it?
Crack it on the side. You don't push it. See? It smells good. That's the pan.
Kimmy's gonna crack the egg. She's already cracked it.
I did it bad, but it's okay.
She cracked it. 3 tablespoons of
oil. Vegetable oil.
Maddie and I just sprayed the pan, and now we're gonna put... No, Maddie, that's way too much. Oh. Did you wash your hands? Yeah. Promise? Pinky. Look at this chunker. I got what I need. When you say he's just a friend. When you say he's just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need. Say he's just a friend, oh baby you. Sally's whipping it up. I think that's good. Guys, we patted the dough. Let's wash our hands and then do the Oreos. Sally's making brownies, we finished a cookie.
That's what I'm talking about.
Katie.
Which is editing.
What am I gonna edit?
Nothing.
Time for the Oreos. Maddie and I are gonna lay them next to each other. Make them nice. Really? Yeah. Because every one will be a cookie. That's not straight, Maddie.
Not bad.
We whipping it up.
Wipe us up.
Actually, no, don't wipe her up. Actually,
Fine, you did a good job.
what's our ship name? Caddy?
Yeah.
Katie?
Maddie.
Maddie. Look. Booyah, baby. Come on, ready? Sally sells seashells by the seashore. I love you, and I never gonna stop loving you. Brownie mix is done, so now it's time to pour it on top of the Oreos and the cookie.
Did you use all of it?
Yeah. You're supposed to cook it for 30 minutes. That's what it said on TikTok. You did a really good job of scraping that, Sally. This is a really thin layer of brownie mix.
Kimmy, we need your help.
What? Kimmy, we need your help.
Wait.
Okay.
It was really close.
Let's hope.
That was good.
I had Oreos in my mouth.
Guys, I did good.
Sally spreaded it. Here is our final product, all of our layers, and now it's gonna cook for 30 minutes. Can we call them brookies? Isn't that what they're called? Brownie cookie. Oh, but there's Oreo.
Oreos cookies.
Okay, yeah, that. So the brownies are now out of the oven. While they were cooking, we made 4 TikToks, and they're really, really good. So go check them out on my TikTok. But we're cutting them up. That's what they look like. And every single circle is the little Oreo. They don't look bad. They look pretty good.
Well, who likes to end?
Sally.
Well, all right.
Gimme. This is what our brookie looks like.
They're hot. They're hot. Don't play
Oh, no,
into
no.
it.
I can't do it yet.
Yeah. Did I not just say they were hot?
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Who are you? Look at the cookie. You can see the cookie. Look at that. Oh. Our brookies are complete. What would you rate it out of 10?
8.
Sally? 7?
6.
Did you try it?
No.
No? What do you rate it?
Probably 7.5.
Yeah, they weren't that good.
No, I thought
Yeah.
it was a little burnt. Tastes a little burnt.
No.
I need more cookie dough.
Yeah. Oh, we put so much.
I mean, what would you rate it out of 10?
I don't think they're burnt.
No.
Yeah.
Go down. No. Okay, we're good. Thank you for watching us cook brookies. It was a lot of fun. They tasted semi-okay. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace and